In this video, I'm going to show you how to record vocals in Cakewalk next. Now to do this, first you want to select the correct input and output as well as your audio driver. Now to do this, you want to go to the Edit tab top left and you want to click on Preferences here at the bottom. Then go to Audio, and the most important thing is to select the correct audio driver. So for me, I'm going to use the Windows Audio, but if you want exclusive mode, you can use this one as well. You can use the low latency mode or any other ones as well. You want to then select your microphone you want to use for your vocal recording. So for me, I'm going to go with this microphone Yeti Stereo, which is the microphone I'm using. And the output device here, these are your speakers. I'm just going to use the native speakers on my laptop. From here, you can of course go and change your sample rate as well. You can go and change your audio buffer size, which is going to adjust latency. So if you're basically experiencing latency, you can go lower over here, and that's going to kind of help you fix this. And then you have like recording formats, etc., which you can of course change as well for your vocal recording. Then go to the X button top right. From here, you want to add a new track. I have one already, but it doesn't hurt to actually add a new one. So you can click on here, the plus button, and click on this first one, which is called mic or line in, or you could go to insert, create audio track, and that's going to create a new audio track. So to now record your vocals, you simply want to click on this record button to enable recording on your track like this. When it's red, it means it's working. You want to position the playhead where you want to start, and now all that's left, you want to click on this record button up top. It's going to start recording your vocals just like this, and then of course you can just go record your vocals, and when you're done, hit this record button up top again, and that's going to save your audio. And as you can see, this is now my recording vocals just like so. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.